Good morning. There's just something so nice about starting the day slow and intentional, being aware of our bodies, and putting something delicious in our bodies to begin the day with healthy fuel. So join me this morning for making my herbal chamomile latte. First, you're going to make chamomile tea with either 1 to 2 tablespoons dried chamomile or 1 to 2 bags of chamomile tea. Let your tea steep for 5 minutes while you prepare your other ingredients. I like to use this herbal latte replacement fix from Raw Revelations. It has a bunch of amazing clean ingredients that support the adrenals and help with energy. Put 1 tablespoon of latte fix into a blender. Then add 1/2 teaspoon slippery elm bark powder for digestion. Next, you're going to add honey. I prefer to use local and raw, but get the best quality that you can. Next, grab your favorite dairy-free milk. I like to use oat because it makes for the creamiest latte. I'll add 1 full dropper of stevia. Strain your chamomile tea once it's done after 5 to 10 minutes of steeping. Pour your tea into your Vitamix with your other herbs and ingredients and blend away. Once it's done blending, pour into your cup and serve right away. Should be nice and frothy and delicious. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. You can also find me on Instagram at Erin with 2 N's. Check out my other recipes at the recipe playlist on my channel.